So let's go back here to shipping and delivery. We'll discard those changes since I already have a profile. Once you have this set up, you would then be able to add local delivery, which we talked about in our previous video. Basically, this would be where you would allow this delivery location to be allow basically orders within your um, exclusion zones or in a certain radius if you have that set up through another app. Basically, you would just allow for your local delivery pricing to then show up from this location. So this has nothing to do with uShip's calculator rates, but it basically just allows you to set up local delivery, um, which would then show a different pricing for your items. You also have the pickup in store option as well. Like I said, nothing to do with uShip specifically, but just a good to know for when you're setting up your shipping profile. All right.